up to you,
Okay.
but Warren is prepared to do that today. Inside here is clamps that you can lock it. I would suggest that you not lock it because we don't want you to.
You're right.
We want you to be able to get. You need it.
Yeah.
There's a charger here to charge, and you'll see why you need a charger. You can open the box, and there's 3 pairs of gloves, and then there's the Narcan. I don't know if you've seen Narcan before, but that's what it looks like.
Okay.
And I don't know, who was it said that sometimes you need 2?
Sometimes you can.
Yeah, sometimes you might need 2.
And you know a little bit about this, right?
I do. I'm an EMT. So.
Oh, then you know.
So,
Oh,
yeah, she
yay.
knows 911.
So you wanna go
So
with
cool,
us?
you should watch this little video, it's really
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
inside there's, it says provided by, so there's several partners, the county commissioners, the health department, and then we've got the sheriff's department, the drug free coalition, and the chamber. So all of us are in partnership for these boxes.
Okay.
They're not cheap, they're $250, so I would encourage you to love it and care for it. But please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have to use this.
Okay.
We will make sure, the health department will make sure that you get refills if you need it,
Okay.
supply. Inside is a video, and it tells you how to use it. And
First
it
off,
tells you
let's take a deep breath.
it's in
That's step
English
number 1,
and it's in
is to check to
Spanish.
see if somebody really
So
is
if you need to
responsible. You can do that
use
by
it,
gently shaking
so
it.
you can, obviously you know how to
Yes.
use this stuff.
And the charger.
Yeah, and the charger, yeah. So, but yeah, this is for you, and we hope you don't need it, but at least if you need it, you've got
Yeah.
it.
And then